What's up, guys? I just found out a hack on how to use your Apple iPhone and your Apple Watch together to use the rear-facing cameras, and you can see and make sure that you're in shot. Now, you probably already knew this, and maybe I'm just late to the party, but I was pretty excited about it. Pretty cool little thing that you can do. Now, I got the iPhone 12. It's not the newest, latest, greatest. The nicest one out right now is iPhone 15. I got an Apple Watch. It's the Series 7 or something like that. So it's not the latest or greatest either. But check it out. So you just take your band, strap it around the camera like so. All right, it's on my little tripod. So we're gonna go into our watch settings. Pull up the apps, little camera app. All right, and then what we can do, so right now it's on photo, but what we can do is on the back side of this thing, right, we just swipe over one. Now you can see it's on video. Now, check that out. You see that in that video there? See if we can zoom in some more. All right, see, check it out. Now I'm using the rear-facing camera, and I can see in real time, or near real time, right here on my Apple Watch, what I am seeing. So I can make sure I'm in frame however I want to make that shot. And now we can know what we're actually shooting there, because the rear-facing cameras are always the best. And it's awesome if, yeah, sure, you're taking video of something else, but what if you want to take video of yourself with the rear-facing camera there? So there we go. Boom. Apple Watch, iPhone combo. Makes a pretty sweet deal. Of course, you could wear it on your wrist, but hey, if you wanted to like put it on a selfie stick like so, boom, and you want to hit that better looking footage, now we can see and tell if we're in shot and what we're actually recording. And of course, we can record right there on the Apple Watch itself, hitting the record button. See what other things we can switch to the front. We can put our flash on there if we need a little lighting. Oh yeah, there we go. Not the best lighting, of course, but that's pretty cool. All right, so there you go. There's a little pro tip for you today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, would you leave a like below, and then also make sure you subscribe to the channel for other little hacks like this and tutorials and technology savvy information coming your way. Till next time, we'll see you later. Peace.